The soul has come with that pattern. Let's say anger. The soul has come with that pattern, and everyone around them says they always react. They're aggressive. They're angry for nothing. And every time we're repeating that line, which vibration are we radiating to them? Anger. They already have anger. They already have that anger, and all of us are sending the same vibration. So what will happen to that pattern of anger? Strengthen. And who strengthened it? Family. And when they go to school, everyone says the same thing. So we are taught to look at the sanskar people have. Spirituality teaches us to look at what they don't have. And now create that thought. So they are carrying a sanskar of anger, and you create a thought, you are a peaceful soul. They are shouting at you, and you just create a thought, you are a peaceful soul. So when you create that thought, you are a peaceful soul, who's the first person who's saved? Because you are not creating that vocabulary of you're angry, you're this, you're rude to me. No. First of all, now you've stopped consuming their pain because you've understood they are not doing this to you. They are going through it. It is not your trauma, it is their trauma that is playing there. We thought they were traumatizing us. No, that's not true. It is they who are wounded. So we are shifting from the victim to saying, okay, I am family and I'm going to help you to heal. So my pain is over. And because when my pain is over, I stop adding pain to their pain because I'm not creating pain anymore. That itself, 50% is over now, pain. Because I am not adding pain to their pain. So if their pain is here, it remains here. It doesn't increase because I am not adding pain to pain. When we were not understanding them, we were adding pain to people's wounds. Because their wound was hurting us. When we were hurting, we cried. When we cried, we screamed, we radiated pain. And that was only making that wound toxic. Now, I understand you. That you are screaming because of a wound that you have carried. Second, I accept you. When you create this thought for somebody, I accept you, healing begins. Because that soul was not getting acceptance from that sanskar. They were always getting rejection, not only in this lifetime, many lifetimes. And when here you start creating this thought, I accept you. Accept you means love. That is love. I'm radiating energy of love to you. And then the third, I heal you. How? I start sending you vibration of that energy which you need. So I first understand your wound. Second, I accept your wound. And third, I now start sending the medicine. Do you think it will make a difference? Do you think it will make a difference? Yes. Let's start doing it because that's family. That's family. If it was a physical wound, this is what we would have done. But now we understood it's an emotional wound and this is what we are going to do. But only thing to take care when we are healing them, we should not go into pain. If we go into pain, then we cannot heal anyone. Then we're only radiating pain everywhere around them.